Hello there race fans, it's Craig here for CraigorNews.com. Fisherman's. Here we go, end of the first lap. It was Newsom leading the last time. Let's have a look. He's still, oh no, it was across that lead. Newsom there, now back in front. And Brown in there, just ahead of Jack Bourne, driver of the month. Fleming there behind PJ Percival. There's David O'Loughlin there. Oh, Max Hart there's having problems, he's at the back. Here we go, back into sight. Oh, change again, cross leads this time. Newsom in second place. Oh, Shannon Clyde there, he must have been off somewhere. O'Loughlin further back, Jack Bourne now, he's lost out as well. Max Hart there, Fleming. And the 40 at the back. Newsom now still holding the advantage. Cross in second. Jimmy Furlong in third place in the blue car there. Well, Fisherman. There's Brown gone through, Ken Brown. Justin Gray then. Bourne is working his way back through these lads. Max Hart there in the middle, he's got past O'Loughlin. Fleming then. Here we go, cross into sight. Oh, we've lost Newsom this time. And Furlong. So Gavin Buckley in second place. Ken Brown now up the third, great stuff from him. 53 then goes through. McBride then further back. There's Newsom in there now. Just ahead of Jack Bourne. Max Hart then still ahead of O'Loughlin. Fleming then. Sean McQuillan there, number 41, the new lads. Matt Bowden then, he's starting to catch him up after spinning on the first lap. Oh no, that's Jimmy Furlong, there's Matt Bowden there. Jimmy Furlong there out of the race. The front wheel was broken, the steering was broken. Anthony Cross leads. Is he going to take his first ever win here? Gavin Buckley. Second place, Anthony Brown there. Tony, third place now, Ken Brown. McBride now. Newsom on, putting him under pressure. Yellow flag across the view here because Furlong's car is off on the other side. Jack Bourne goes through that car. 15 now. Yellow flags are in now, here Colonial. So Anthony Cross there. Nice leader. Gavin Buckley comes through then, there's a few seconds in advantage. Ken Brown closing in on him. 53, Carlos Sullivan there, should be the next one into sight, it is indeed. Newsom is starting to catch up there. Now, McBride then. Jack Bourne. Max starting to green in there, 52. Justin Gray then, David O'Loughlin. Paul Lewis then, 15 car. Robert Fleming still in there. We should still have Matt Bowden in there, he is. There we go, Cross now. Still pulling out the lead, he's pulling away there. They're over the half distance. Buckley now is getting reeled in by Ken Brown. Ken Brown looking to get looking further up the podium. Podium, I'd say, do him. Newsom fourth place now. Right then coming through. The distance between them, 53. Oh, Carlos Sullivan's been off somewhere. Still going strong though. Over then, still has Max Hart there. Looked in behind him. PJ Percival then in the green and yellow car. Lewis comes around then. Bit of a gap after him. Cross back with us now, leading all the way here. Kirkistown is on the hill. The sun just makes an appearance. Ken Brown now is up to second place. Great stuff for him. Gavin Buckley obviously down at the hairpin. Got a run on him. Newsom comes through there. The championship leader. McBride. Probably this weekend. Plenty of points there for Lee. O'Sullivan now. Bourne there and Hart. Try and get through there. This lap. Bit of smoke for the brakes. Here we go, Cross back with us again. That's the car, Matt Bowden. Just behind. Let's see how Ken Brown and Gavin Buckley are getting on. Oh, it's Buckley back in front this time. Great stuff for the two days. Pointing out the podium. Two men there, they're just starting to go past some of the lap cars now. They head off towards the chicane there. Further behind there, Newsom, oh, Newsom's well up the road there. And O'Sullivan now. Oh, Max Hart's got through. Good man, Max. Jack Bourne there. And Percival comes around then. Car this weekend, the green and yellow. Everything grey then. Paul Lewis. Not too many running behind this. Once again now, Antelo. Looking for the first win here. First ever win in the National Championship. B races and C races and championships before. Looking for the national title though. There's back in front there of Gavin Buckley. Lachlan goes through there. He's lapped down now at this stage. McBride comes through. So Lee Newton behind me there somewhere. He went through as we were panning back around. Hart now is ahead of Sullivan. Great stuff from him. Finding a bit of pace here at the closing stages. Jack Bourne there falling away a bit. Cup of smoke from his car. Sounds good still. Gray then in the shine. Lewis then losing a bit of ground. Oh, sliding all over the shop. Oh, he's got to take a spin there. Good man, perfect 360 and on he goes. Oh, that's awesome. Great stuff, Paul Lewis. Quillen now just got past me down his cross. Next up to lap him. Then we have it. Oh, that's Bowden. And then, Ken Brown. Second. Oh, Newsom up the third. Managed to get past Gavin Buckley. So second place could be on the cards here for Lee. Could he take the win? Well, Lachlan. A couple of laps left. I doubt if he's going to catch Anthony Cross today. McBride coming through. Gap then, further back then. Max Hart, yes. Good man, Max. Carlos Sullivan then on his tail. Jack Bourne is falling away. He did sound a bit rough last time. Person comes through. Yeah, Jack Bourne looks like he's out. Young driver of the month there last month, so great stuff for him. There's PJ just taking off to the grass. Manages to get going again. Still in the race. Quillen now should just find himself getting lapped any second. Cross comes through. Counting down the laps now, looking for the race win. Newsom's up to second place. Great stuff, Lee. Ken Brown third. Kevin up to fourth. Bowden then is a lap down after he spun on the opening lap. Gap then to here's another lap car, O'Loughlin. Yellow Sport team. McBride it is then, next one round. Come on, Shane. See how stretched here getting out now late in the race. Max Hart now, and he's dropped Carlos Sullivan this time. Carl falling away. Max starting to sound a bit casual there, but we're in the closing laps. Maybe he's just going to consolidate that position. PJ. Gray then. Should see Lewis now in a second. Wow, he spun the last time. Really well back. Later into sight once again. Oh, it could be all over. Oh, I'd say it is. And that's a great win for Anthony Cross. Fantastic. First ever win in the Formula Vees. Let's have a look now. Second place. Lee Newsom, championship leader. Points in the bag for Lee today. Great stuff. Well done. Ken Brown, that's a great result for him. Excellent stuff. Third place. Buckley fourth. Should be McBride then, fifth. That was a cracking race. Well done, Anthony Cross. Till next time, this has been Craig for CraigerNews.com.